In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your flashlight using your iPhone. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So to use your flashlight, the only thing you need to do is to bring the control center of your iPhone down. So you're just going to simply drag the screen from the right hand corner and this will appear. Now here you're going to see the little flashlight icon and this will automatically turn on your flashlight. But if you want to adjust the lighting of your flashlight, what you're going to do is move your finger up and down like so. And if you move it down, well, this is going to decrease the lighting of your flashlight. But if you move it up, it's going to increase the amount of lighting that you get from the flashlight of your iPhone. And that's it. To turn it off, you simply have to go back to your control center and select the flashlight again. And it's that simple. I hope this video helped you.